Hi, my name is Justin Deen. I'm one of the orthopedic surgeons here at UF Health. I have spent my whole life in Florida. I grew up in the outskirts of Orlando. I completed my undergraduate education here at UF, as well as my residency and fellowship training. I did complete medical school actually at FSU in Tallahassee. The favorite part of my job is helping people. I know it sounds cliche, but I've been given the unique opportunity to be able to provide people with the gift of mobility, which to me is one of the most fundamental liberties that people can have. And so I see people on a daily basis who are essentially wheelchair bound from hip or knee problems, and I get to see them walk for the first time in sometimes years. And so that's an incredibly gratifying opportunity. I also enjoy the opportunity to participate in research and resident education here at an academic center. That's one of the main missions, and so it's an excellent opportunity to be able to advance the field of orthopedics and joint replacement specifically by participating in research and helping educate future orthopedists. Here at UF Health, we do pride ourselves on a comprehensive joint replacement program that entails quality care, but also education, engagement, and an overall positive experience for the patients both before, during, and after surgery, which I think has been shown to be incredibly effective, both in quality metrics and outcomes, but also in patient satisfaction and experience. I know that if I personally was going to have a hip or knee replacement, I would come here, and I think I would certainly refer any family member because I have the utmost confidence in the quality of care that they would receive here.